Welcome back to our last segment on directed numbers. Today we want to look at multiplication and division. So under multiplication and division, I have at the right corner we have a positive sign and a negative sign. The first thing in mathematics is to assume that positive is a good person always, every time. You can represent it as GP. And also a negative in mathematics is a bad person. Wherever you see a negative sign in mathematics, just know that it's a bad person or a killer. Sometimes others they refer it as a killer. So under the formal rules, we have a negative by positive. That is a bad person by a good person. So the result is always a bad person. Whenever a bad person plays with a good person, the result is always a bad person. So negative by positive is negative, and also down there we have positive by negative. It still mean the same, so the result is negative. And also we have negative by negative, so our result there is positive. Whenever a bad person plays with a bad person, the result is always a good person, that is positive sign. And also we have positive by positive, good person by good person, the result is good person, that is positive sign. And also let's go to the right hand side. We have on division, that is negative by positive. So we are simply saying this applies the same, the results that we found on multiplication, they applies as it is in division. So negative divided by a positive is equals to negative, and also positive divided by negative is equals to negative, and also negative divided by negative, the result is positive, and also positive divided by positive is equals to positive. So that's our formal rules. So there are two major concepts there in formal rules, that is negative times positive is equals to negative, or bad person by a good person, the result is bad person, and also a bad person by bad person, the result is good person, that is positive. So these are two essential formal rules that one is ought to know very well going forward. And also let's go and look at the examples that are with me there. The first one is say minus 3 by 2, so it's a bad person by a positive, so the result is always a negative, and so our final answer is negative 6. 3 by 2 is 6, so our answer is minus 6. And the other one there, it says 5 by minus 2, so our answer there is negative 10. And the other one, it says negative 3 by negative 2, so we are simply saying bad person by bad person, the result is a good person, so it's positive 6. That's our answer there. Number 4, it says minus 10 divided by 5, so we have a bad person and a good person, the result there is bad person, so it's a negative 2. And the other one, it says 6 divided by minus 3, it's a, so our concept there is a good person divided by a bad person, so the result is a negative, so it's negative 2. 6 divided by 3 is 2, so answer is negative 2 then. And the last one, it says minus 8 divided by minus 2, so our result is always positive 4. That's our answer there. So that's all about formal rules in mathematics. Then let's look at challenging questions. The first one, it says minus 5 minus open bracket minus 2 is equals to. The first thing is to identify according to our board maths. We deal with the board math. It says the bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So now we have our multiplication there, that is denoted by a bracket. Note that the bracket means multiplication. So the first thing is to deal with the multiplication, that is minus by minus there. between 5 and 2. So we get minus 5 plus 2. After carrying minus 5 plus 2, remember last time we said different signs, we take the sign of a larger number, that is minus. So we get the difference, 5 minus 2. So our answer become minus 3. That's our answer there, is minus 3, our final answer. And the other one, it says minus 6 by 2 plus 3. So we are simply saying the first thing is to deal with the bottommost part, that is multiplication. Minus 6 by 2, we get minus 12. Then minus 12 plus 3, as usual, these are different signs. So different signs, we said we take the sign of a larger number and get the difference. So our larger number is 12, the sign there is minus, and then we get the difference, 12 minus 3, we get 9. So our final answer is minus 9. And also the other one is say subtract minus 2 from 2. Subtract minus 2 from 2. So we are taking minus 2 from 2. So it's 2 minus minus 2 there. So after we have our multiplication there, so we get 2 plus 2. Then our final answer is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4, likewise. So that's all about the challenging questions in directed numbers under multiplication and division. So we are simply saying under multiplication and division, they are two major concepts, that is negative by positive is equals to negative, and also negative by negative is equals to positive. Those are two formal rules that one is ought to know very well. And guess what? I have to eat yourself questions. So these are questions for practice. You can practice because remember they say practice makes one perfect. So just practice those questions that I articulated them. And also for more details, you can contact me, or you can find me on Facebook, that is Novice Thomas Newlands Masul, and WhatsApp 078 500 6852. And also on Gmail, you can find me as Novice Tamasu 708 gmail.com. And also thanks guys for watching the video. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more videos. They are yet to come very soon. Thank you guys.